धुंधली सी यादें, कुछ अनकही बातें, वो धोखे, वो वादे, वो गुमनाम सी रातें, सिलसिला चीखते सन्नाटों का, किस्सा भरम का, रूह में झांक के देखे पिछले जन्म का।
जो अब गुजरने के बाद पल होता है, हर किसी का एक बीता कल होता है। श्रवण का कल किसी से नहीं छिपा। आइए लगाते हैं नमिक के बीते कल का पता।
In my last life, I want to say a mighty warrior, but I think psycho lover or Jersey rockstar is more likely. Firstly, I'm not old enough to have been a mighty warrior in my past life. Like, I'm assuming that Jesse, the past life got over, my new life began. So it's not like we had some mighty warriors back then. 100-200 साल नहीं हुए. And psycho lover because I don't know. I'm kind of possessive like when I'm a boyfriend, so I guess like I can see it going thoda crazy. Jersey rockstar because that was in fashion in the 70s and 60s and whatever happened. Yeah. Abla Nari, who knows? I don't know. The three. I think unme se kuch bhi ho sakta hai. I'm not sure. I support women's rights, so maybe that's something that's lingered on from my last life. Well, I'm 45, so naughty at 40 would make sense, but I've been told I'm very immature and I don't mind being immature. I don't think there's कोई बहुत बड़ी बात होती है कि आप सीरियस होके घूमें और हर चीज़ को बहुत सीरियसली लें. I like laughing at myself. So 2 साल का दूध पीता बच्चा या फिर sweet 16. शान पट्टी में प्राण खोए. मैं बचपन में से बहुत काम करे हैं जो हीरोपंती में. आई रिमेंबर एक टाइम वीड गॉन टू महाबलेश्वर समवेयर एंड माई पेरेंट्स लेट us, me and my sister, go with our mama mami, and there was some cliff, like a cliff, and हम लोग देख के आए तो मामा मामी उधर को निकल गए, and then they turned back and I was standing with my one foot off the cliff, and I was like देखो मैं गिरने वाला हूँ. And I'm really young and my mama mami, it freaked them out so much कि every time I meet them this story is told कि वो तो बस गिरने वाला था और हमने उसे बड़ा समझाया कि ना नहीं ऐसा मत करना, और फिर हमने गए उसे पकड़ लिया. So yeah, I think I've done some really stupid things when I was a kid, so that's probably what will make sense. Yeah. First one. Sounds entertaining. I don't think I'll do any of those, but yeah, that sounds entertaining. That or the बीवी को कुंभ के मेले में छोड़ा है. I am not answering this. क्या मुझे पिटाई करवानी है? No. I would not do that to any of my friends' wives, obviously. But I'm just saying for entertainment value that it is more possible कि मैं अपनी बीवी को कहीं I would never leave them, but yeah, I don't take attitude well, so that might be more of a thing. इस लाइफ मेरी अत्याचारी सास कौन है? प्रोडक्शन. No. I don't know. अभी तक इतना nobody has been that mean to me. अत्याचारी सास. Probably a boss or something. I don't know. Somebody who makes me wake up early. That is the one thing that I don't like doing. मुझसे लोग करवाते हैं. हाँ, so that. अभी तक thankfully I can't relate this to anyone. आधा अधूरा प्यार जो मेरी एक सीरियस रिलेशनशिप जो खत्म हुई थी उसके लिए. Your guys will like make me end my friendships, like लोग मुझसे बात करना बंद कर देंगे मैं इसका आंसर दूंगा तो. आस्तीन का सांप. I have no idea. मेरे ऐसा तो I can't name somebody यार ऐसे. I can't be like हाँ ये this person he's an Astin. I know you're an Astin. There are a few people I can think of them, but it's okay. I can't name them. This is just as a joke, and he knows I'm joking. But there is a friend who back when he didn't have a nice job, now he's not like this anymore. But when he didn't have a job, we used to go out and he would always, like when the bill came, we'd all order, and then when the bill came, he would take out 50 rupees or 100 rupees and put it down, and then like rafa dafa ho jata tha. Then we had to figure out how to pay the bill. But yeah, I mean, he didn't have a job, so we don't blame him. It was like friendship में सब चलता है. But yeah, that would probably be the guy. बहुत तनावी सेगमेंट है, बहुत तनाव क्रिएट करने वाला है लोगों में. I couldn't answer half the questions because if I did, then काफी लोग देख के थोड़ा गुस्सा हो जाते. But fun.
नमिक को मिले अपने सवालों के जवाब. अब देखते हैं कि अगले कौन है जनाब. अपने फेवरेट स्टार्स के राज जानने के लिए सब्सक्राइब टू इंडिया फोरम्स ऑन यूट्यूब. कैमरामैन बाबाजी, इंडिया फोरम्स, मुंबई.
Hi, this is Namik Paul. Keep watching India Forums and do subscribe to their YouTube channel.